LUV. It's the team. LUV. It's the team.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh. But we're not doing the ribbon bit.
I gotta make sure I'm in the sun. I got sunscreen and everything.
Oh yeah. Oh, I got lotion as well. I got cocoa butter.
Lotion?
We need lotion. Bro, when you come out the water.
Yeah, yeah, but why'd you say it like that? I got lotion as well.
Yeah, we outside, nigga.
We outside.
What's up, nigga?
Geelong.
What's up, nigga? Brazil out there, nigga. I was born in Brazil. I grew up in Brazil. You know what I'm saying? Neymar Jr. is my favorite player. He's my friend as well. You know what I mean? This nigga right here, my boy right here.
Exactly what I did.
I'm the unk. I'm the unk. But once you see me with alcohol, it's over.
Oh yeah, I actually can't wait.
Well, for Saturday? Or today? Nah, just kidding. We gotta get the pub. We gotta get the pub. Okay, so.
Nigga, you're shaking.
Yeah. Cause my wrist, bro, my wrist. Cause I low-key injured it, so it's like that.
Boom. Bring it up. No. Okay, bring it up, crossover.
Yeah, cross it over.
And then,
Yeah, but it's gotta be cleaner than that. What the fuck is that?
All right.
bring it in. Up, crossover, down. Yeah.
That's that love.
You look a
gang.
little. I'm not
I told you.
Bro,
When it comes
look
to-
at me here. Watch. So, bam.
Stop boxing hands, bro.
Yeah, I got the Parkinson's already, bro.
Nigga, cookie's not lasting long.
It is. Welcome to the best beach in Melbourne. Oh, they got a fountain? What is the point? That's crazy.
Bitches, I'm here.
Yo, that's. I record. Stop! I don't know this man. Go ahead. Explain this atomic phase. Atomic
I
phase.
got told, listen, scientific theory, nigga. I got told if you touch something enough times, the atomics will phase through each other, you feel me? So, there's a chance, like, imagine you're fucking a bitch and then just phase.
Oh, okay, buddy. Yeah.
1 second. I can't like, yo, don't close it again.
Oh my god! Stop it! Stop it, man!
Wait, yo, go around this way, man. This way. Yes, exactly.
Hey, give me a beat. On God, I can actually freestyle.
You cannot freestyle.
On God, I can. Bro, I've literally been making music with Alex recently.
Go freestyle right now. I'm connected. It's me.
Hey, give me a beat. Let me put a beat on.
Fine.
Watch this, bro. Give me an E triple type beat.
Okay.
I don't save the whole.
We're going. Oh, my fault.
Okay, bad little bitch, she fine as hell, she a freak too. Bad little bitch, she tryna freak, I'ma keep too. Hit her with them 1-2s, bitch, I like to. Nah, give me an E beat. Oh, God.
Yo!
Let me give me
No, I'll do it then. I'll do it.
trying to get
I'll do it. Start it again.
Let's see. You know, I'll do actual music video.
Yeah.
Oh, this is.
Oh, yeah, too. I'm spitting bars, shooting at niggas. I'm like Chef.
Whoa!
Ooh. They call me Steph Curry. I'm out here. Dribble Hezzy.
Yo.
Shit. You know I'm going crazy on the beat. My name is S2. I hit this bitch with the 3P.
Okay.
That was the bar right there. This nigga's name Moya. He's a supporter. Oh. S2. Oh, wow.
Okay. That little bitch, she a freak, she got fans. That little bitch, she tryna get on the band. Okay, my bitch, she a 10. My bitch, she a fan, she a band. I said I saved the world and I saved the bitch and I saved the fan. Big witty bitch, you know she a fan. Big witty bitch, you know she. Okay, she a 10. Bitch, it'll be and they go on and eat, I'ma eat her. Bitch mad, I'ma beat her. Hit her back to her visa. Bitch back get a visa. I don't mean her. Bitch on my dick, she don't beat her.
Yeah, it's time to switch the flow.
Yeah.
You got a hot nigga like me on the beat.
Yeah.
I go crazy, go stupid.
Yeah.
Shoot a nigga in these knees.
Wait, he's a nigga in his knees. Whoa. Okay, like bitch, give me please.
Hey.
Like bitch, give it up please. I'm in a 10 and a 10. Bitch, I'm a friend, I'm a friend. Bitch is a fan, she a phone. Bitch, no, I don't know. She a hoe. Don't go. Don't play. Bitch, don't. I said, don't play. Okay.
You got the crash out, the nigga that doesn't give a fuck. I like to stand up, shoot a nigga, go pop.
Bitch, you a jump. I'ma hit him, I'ma stop. I'ma just stump on him, nigga. Stump on his head. Stump on his bitch. Bitch, give me head. Give me brain. Give me top. Dumb bitch. Don't stop. She a fan. I said, don't play. Okay. Bitch, man.
Alright, let's get food, man. Let's get food. Let's get food.
Nah,
Let's get food, y'all.
Let's get food,
Whoa.
I was looking going dummy.
What about me?
You were going calm. You had the calm.
He's saying,
No. He went crazy. He went crazy.
You did.
But you did
I
one.
put
You
the
did
energy.
one bar. You did like.
Yeah, one good bar, but it was energy. It was like,
You
okay.
said she's a nigga on her knees. Whoa.
What?
Whoa, niggas. Hey, she's a nigga on her knees. What that mean, bro?
Please, hey.
I don't know what that means, bro.
Bro, I hit him with the back to a beast, bro. Give me a...
That's why I say it was calm. He was really calm. He was
Okay, kind of piece it up today.
I just
like.
came in and crashed the fuck out. Wait, actually, let's do it. Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
100% not. So I don't know why we're here. Document it later, you know?
What's going on with Chinese? What? Why are you making me smell your food? Hold on, I gotta. Hey, inside now.
Just know I'm going to my pussy. You know what I'm saying? These niggas are ordering some Chinese food, bro. I'm typing, bro.
Type, this guy. Oh, don't be racist.
I'm not being racist, bro. Hey.
Don't mind. It's crazy that we all got chicken. We all got chicken. It's kind of crazy. Do you love these red buckets?
Go back for you. Water, man. Hey.
Sparkling water. Actually, coconut water. Coca-Cola, sign me, man. I'm telling you, I'm getting signed by Coca-Cola.
You know? Yeah, it's better than nothing. What's the order?
You got a wrap.
No way it took that long.
That's insane.
Okay, make the fucking the dining order first.
You use your phone?
Yeah, because I'm eating chicken here. Balanced diet, bro. Right? Balanced diet. He doesn't know about it. Capsicum is not a pepper.
Am I right?
No.
Oh my god, I'm right.
What?
Capsicum is a pepper.
No. It's probably willing to find it.
Capsicum's a pepper.
It's a scrambled egg fried chicken. Guys,
Fried chicken has to be deep fried.
it doesn't have to be deep fried. It just has to be fried on a pan in oil. Well, it doesn't have to be oil, but fried. Scrambled egg is fried chicken.
I said egg in general.
No,
Exactly.
I don't know that.
Hey, see, this gonna go chicken in whole anyway, bro.
Oh, okay, I have a big
Scrambled
brisket.
egg fried chicken.
Not briskets. Okay. Does that mean that milk is being?
What? That's dry. That's so dry. That's a little. What? You're not like
Nah, I can't lie. I can't lie. Might be honest.
Bro, no, bro.